We are pleased to show you the 2023 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.